từ đấy giờ cả long khoa là ngân này để bố đi để luôn ở cần từ mình giờ từ mức gà niệm phơi như giống mọi cái củ như thì mình thua nó cái phải băng mạnh mà nó mày phải hơn cái lần thầm.
This area here is being low-lying. The water's coming down from Ethiopia as well. It's a real tragedy. We'll go back and have a talk to the humanitarians. I know that the World Food Programme through Oxfam has been already been bringing some food in. Obviously, the scale of need is perhaps more than anybody thought. And the real worry, to be honest, is further down the track in a few months' time. Yes, we can provide emergency support now, but these people are going to rely, or have been relying for years and years, on harvests. Those harvests are like to be badly affected, so there's going to be less food that they're going to grow themselves, and therefore they might be more dependent on food coming in from outside.
Long này long mà lừa đỡ bên, coi lưu này nó dọa này ra đó, mình chỉ mal bên đây có gõ,